I know you ready. Come on. Baby, you sure you want to wear that today?
What the heck?
You know what that is?
It's sippy juice time.
Sippy juice time. It's sippy juice time.
It's sippy
juice time. They don't understand us, baby. They don't understand us. We love it. Give me a kiss, baby.
That's what it's going.
Making love on sippy juice time. Yeah. That's what we tell them, baby.
Slide on down.
Yeah, what's the way we tell them, baby? That's the way we tell them. That's the way we tell them right off the bat. That's the way we tell them right off the bat. Taking all bets. Anybody want to bet? Place your bets today. I want them live. We got Mr. Shock G down here. Shock G, yeah. Show him what's up, at Shock. Where's Miss Shock G? And that's Miss Shock G back there in the back. Yes, sir, yes, sir. And over there, that's Mr. Carter. That Miss got to go to bed. There, go to bed, baby. Right here's her son's my baby's son. Come on, lift your head, young man. He don't want his face on there. We'll show that man. Peace. Did you see him on there? Tell him who you for. Saints. Say Saints now. Saints. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yes, he do. Yes, he do. Yes, he do. He do what he do.
Doretha, come in here and get it.
No, Doretha's Saints fan. That's all right. That brother's a brother with the brothers. And guess what I got with me today?
What you got to put in it?
I got to put something in it. Put me some sippy juice in it. Oh, you can pick it up. Sippy juice in it. Sippy juice time. Oh, man. I got me a couple of them beds out there today. Y'all know what time it is. You know what day it is. Is that some? Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Know what day it is. You know what day it is. Hey, Shannon. Mr. My Alvin Mills. What's happening? My old golf buddy. We play. I didn't get to play today. What if you played today? You played today, Alvin? Hello, Terry. I need now, right this minute, for you to actually reach deep down in your pockets and hearts and say to yourself, Atlanta gonna beat them Saints. Let me make this bet with Tiger. I need lunch money. Don't we need lunch money, baby? We need lunch money. Place your bets today. I got a few Atlanta fans that actually made bets today. I feel good. Y'all feel good?
There to go.
Ooh, look, hand them to him. How I got change?
She took that to her mortgage.
No, she didn't. He gave you $1 change back. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get my bets in. Ain't nobody placing them, baby. Who's going to get on here and place these bets? Dibby. Yeah. How about, look. Guess what day it is? Guess what time 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 it is? Got my black and mild. Where's my blue lighter? Is that it? It was almost in your pocket. It was close to your pocket. Mike Perkins, I know it well. How about them Cowboys? That's all I'm going to say.
Did they get beat?
They got the shit beat out of them.
By Buffalo?
They got the shit beat out of them.
Lord, how much? Say it ain't so.
My prediction. I made that prediction. They get their ass whooped by Buffalo.
They did it.
They did
got
it.
beat.
Tell them, baby. They got beat.
Look at that.
She in it. Tell them, baby. Who that? Who that said they're going to beat them Saints? Who that?
Who they said they gonna beat?
Guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's Saints and Day. It's Saints and Day. They love them Saints.
Man, my bad.
What's that?
Nah, hell, I moved
Oh,
over
he
here.
can't
Oh.
get it.
You done
he
messed
can't
up
move.
now.
Damn.
He can't move. He blocked.
Bridge over troubled water.
Bridge over Y'all know y'all can't say that out loud to
Trying
me.
to tip
That bridge over troubled water.
All
right there.
day.
Please, it's really hard.
Mm-hmm.
like damn, Shaw.
Come on, man.
All right, fella.
Come on.
Fine. What do you
Yeah, you roll as many as you can.
Come on.
I done moved that lady over there
Thank
one
you, sir.
time and
You remove
he
me,
looking
but I'm
like
What's up, Brad? Happy Thanksgiving to you too, bro.
You gonna have to fix.
Happy Dirty Bird
I done moved
giving
out my way.
today. We whooping the shit out of Atlanta. I'm placing all bets. Anybody say I'm wrong, say your speech now. Look at all this right here. Y'all see this right here? Here, let me put this on there. See that right there? Y'all see that right there? Y'all see all that? Y'all see all that back there? This is where I stand at 8 o'clock tonight. I'm glad you'll get to sit down and watch this game and see again how brilliant we are. Now, I've done showed y'all all year long. Now, all I want to know is make sure that you now understand what I'm saying. All you got to say is, Tiger, we understand. They the best team in the NFL. The number one team in the NFL. Nobody can beat it. I'm taking all bets on any game at any time. I'm covering all bets. I don't care if it's 10 cents, 50 cents, $1,000. You got 1,000, put it on there. Mr. Nate Moore, what about them Cowboys?
he said I'm just trying to
Did I just hear $1,000?
$1,000. $1,000. You heard me. I take my hat off.
Talk to him, Governor.
I'm taking my glasses off so they can see my face when I say this. $1,000 on anybody against the Saints.
Lord have mercy. God almighty. That's big talk.
I ain't bullshit.
That's big talk right
I ain't
there.
bullshit. I ain't bullshit.
baby.
Baby.
Ain't nobody no way.
Hand me the life savings. Hand me the life
The
savings.
life savings.
I'm bringing the life savings. Hand me my life savings. Right here, right now.
$1.
Every bit of money that I have to my name on them Saints.
You got $1 though.
Oh, that's all I need. I can be rich with $1. To the millionaire house right now with $1. That's how you started.
That's how you start.
Every millionaire to this day started out with $1.
$1 to the next.
$1. Who want to bet it? Who speak up now? Uh-oh, ready for that ass whooping. Kimberly, I done told you today.
Uh-oh, Kim Johnson got on
Yes,
there.
sir.
Got on there.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. Give my children's college
Right
fund.
there, man. Yeah.
Give my children's college fund out here now.
College fund.
College
They done pulled the college fund.
$5 to send 5 children to college. I will put my children's college fund up on here right now.
$5.
I don't give a damn if they learn or they don't. $5. $6. Bet your money today. $6 right here, right now. I'll throw it down like they dices. Bet you. Wait a minute. Kimberly, you better cut it out. You better cut. Tony said it's sippy juice time. Give me my other sippy juice cup here. Here's the other one. This is my cup of tea. This is my cup of
Everything
tea.
in this basement sings.
My cup of tea.
Lord.
Better take family pictures earlier for Thanksgiving. Made all the kids put on.
Oh, I seen that. You had put it on there.
Sippy juice.
I seen the ones you posted. All of them got on them dresses.
I don't care if you bring your husband. I got $6 and come on. Y'all better have my money. Put y'all kids' college funds up against this. I got my kids. They won't go to school this year.
Well, he did it. He got mold.
Coming to Morgan. That's right. Y'all come on down here. It'd be good to see you anyway.
He got up all right past.
Oh, did he?
Well, she's got room for me. Who ain't Eddie P? Yeah, you cussing you don't cuss on my show. Nobody say a damn cuss word, not shit on my damn show. Look, y'all. I'll show y'all something. Da dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Y'all see them saints in the background? Hey man, that young man right there, he gonna be a Saints fan next. You a Saints fan?
What now?
You a Saints fan?
Oh, no.
We can edit that out. Boy, cut that, cut. They don't want to believe in me. They will sooner or later.
I hope they lose.
Oh, you Atlanta fan?
No, I'm a Panther fan.
Oh, no wonder. No wonder. Now the truth comes out. Okay. We didn't mean to do y'all that way last week. Look at that. Hold up now. Hey. Hey, got theme song. Ding, ding. They're in Atlanta, too. Let me see. Has I got on the right jersey, baby? Has they got on that white today? Yeah. Who? Atlanta's awful. But they beat us. The lucky ass beat us. One of their wins. The other one was against Carolina. Drew Brees. Hey. Breeze, won't you come back? Won't you come back? Breeze, won't you come back? Won't you come back? Breeze, won't you come back? Hey, won't you come back? Breeze, won't you come back? Won't you come back? That's right, baby. Tell it to him. It's Dirty Bird Thanksgiving Day. We're going to eat some Dirty Bird. Damn, some turkey. We want Dirty Bird. We want that old Dirty Bird. I had a black and mild floating around the room somewhere.
A black and mild.
Oh, it go down that way. Nate Moore said go to sleep, Eddie. He said go to sleep.
I'll tell him I did after that Cowboys game.
I'll let you tell him.
Hey, I went to sleep during that Cowboys game.
Damn, Nate, that's messed up. Maybe with my sippy juice cup, my other one. Is it up under that? I'm going to bet that whole $6. There it is. Boy, they betting. Miss Kimberly, I'm sorry to say this. We're going to hurt your feelings tonight.
Oh, yeah?
They'll be mad cussing at the TV. And move all that out of that. We don't want to. Yeah.
I wish you took the best.
Huh?
I wish you took the best, but I got Matt Ryan on fantasy start tonight, so I need him to air the fuck out tonight.
Well, I'm sorry to say.
But I'm going against y'all in a way.
I know, I feel you. I understand the fantasy language all along.
And I
But
got Michael Thomas, so I need a big game.
you got one of the things you'll get the big game from Mike. That Matt Ryan, though, I'm sorry to say, that might cost you. Because he ain't getting shit tonight. Talk about it out loud. Get the people to invest some bets on you. Yes, they beat us. They beat us. Is anybody wanting to bet? Kimberly says she'll be back out. Hey, Monica Berry, how you doing? How about them Cowgirls? They got the shit beat out of them. Ha, 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 ha. Ooh, Tanya Dula, you like them Cowboys too? They got the shit beat out of them too. I ain't gonna say nothing else about them Cowboys. No, Cowboys just the wrong deal. Betting on them games. I'm waiting on anybody to bet. I ain't even got a text message. Everybody must believe in me. Well, we got 2 minutes before kickoff. I'm gonna be on here all day. Hey, Shaw, are you playing Nate today?
I don't know. I ain't even looked at I can't get on this.
Nate said, "What's up?" I think he got you today. Mo D.
I guess he's still sour about that last game.
What's the last game? Who got it?
Last game I beat him in
In the season? Yeah, he
So tell him to take his tampon out.
take. Nate, take your. Shaw said, take your tampon out. I ain't said nothing like that, but Shaw said, and I kind of agree. Take your tampon out. I'm getting off here live today because I see y'all ain't gonna bet because y'all scared of my damn Saints.
Jacksonville wasn't even born then.
And I'm gonna say that with a straight face. Uh-oh. Shaw, Nate said, tell him to quit begging. Not a good look.
You know what? You tell that nigga to sit down somewhere before I come comb his hair and take that S curl out.
Not the S girl.
He still got that S curl from 82, man. Tell him he got his hair.
I'm not gonna repeat all that because that's kind of ugly for Nate to take his S curl out. Piece of chicken grease.